In today's video for Alpha Universe, we're going to take a look at Sony's new 300mm f2.8 G Master lens. The 300mm f2.8 G Master lens is the lightest large aperture telephoto lens in its class, weighing it at only 51.9 ounces, which is really great if you're a sports or wildlife photographer. You're not going to have to break your back chugging this thing around. Really lightweight, which is great for a lens of this size. The autofocus on this lens, just like it is with many G Master lenses, is really fast, super sticky. I was able to photograph athletes, I photographed wildlife. I even took it out to photograph some portraits, which is not typically the way you would use this type of lens, but doing it anyway because I'm a portrait photographer and take every opportunity to do fun things when you could do them. So on the barrel of the lens itself, you're going to find 4 focus hold buttons, which can be customized in the camera menu, which is really cool. If you want to be able to shoot and extend the reach of this lens, you could actually have this to switch you from full frame to APS-C mode. You've got your AF and MF switch for your autofocus and manual focus. You have full-time DMF, which allows you to utilize the autofocus, but also be able to change over to manual focus if you're in a pinch. You also have the ability to change the focus throw from full to infinity or to 6 meters. You have optical steady shot, which you could turn off and on. And then you have your mode dial. So depending on what you are photographing, whether it's sports or wildlife, you could choose the right mode given whatever it is that you're trying to shoot. Towards the back of the lens, you've also got a drop-in filter. It's a 40.5 millimeter filter thread. So if you wanted to add UV filters, ND filters, circular polarizers, whatever kind of filters it is that you would add, you have the ability to drop them into the back of the lens and to use them with this stunning, stunning piece of glass. Now, the thing that Sony is doing that's really special with these lenses that I absolutely love is their inclusion of these extreme dynamic linear motors. And in a lens like this, it's fantastic because not only is the autofocus going to be really fast, but it's also going to be crazy accurate. So this 300mm f2.8 G Master lens is really made for sports and for wildlife, but being a portrait photographer, I went around, I tried to get the photos that I could get throughout New York City to cover those types of things that you would use this lens for, but of course I had to shoot portraits with it. So during my photo walk, I took this lens to the side and managed to take a few shots, and here they are. I'm really loving what I'm getting out of this 300mm lens. And listen, it's going to be available in spring of 2024. We'll have a link in the description of this video where you can check out more details on this lens. By the way, while you're down there, make sure you subscribe to Alpha Universe because in the near future, I'm going to have some more videos where I'm using this thing for more outdoor shoots, studio sessions, all of that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to stay up to date. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And there were some other products that were announced here alongside of this lens, including the Sony Alpha 9 III with its amazing revolutionary global shutter. Got a full video about that here on the channel, so make sure you check that out, and I'll see you next time.